Hi there. I'm going to teach you how to stand on the grass with inline skates on. And so you have to stand with your legs straight on the wheels. And to walk, you must do like this. Put it like that. Then the other way like this, and then this. These are like the basics to the real one, because the real one is actually like this. One more. You also have to like bend slightly down, and if you're going back, you have to rapidly do this. And if you're falling, you have to put your hand like this, because you are not allowed to like make your head fall or you'll get hurt. So walk in this crossway. Walking like this will help you know how to like really skate, because you actually have to push off both.